Good afternoon and welcome to our St. Clair County Daily Briefing, day number 358. I'm joined by EMA Director Herb Simmons, and we'll get right into the numbers. In St. Clair County, they've tested 291,621, which is an increase of 1,175 since yesterday. For positive test results, we're at 28,332, which is an increase of 65 since yesterday. Those are males and females under the age of 1 up to their 80s, bringing our daily county positivity to 5.5%. For negative test results, we're at 263,289. We are happy to report no new additional COVID deaths today, so that number remains at 456. For those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we're at 27,301. The state has tested 18,572,096. Positive test results have been 1,197,267, and that is an increase of 2,565 since yesterday. Unfortunately, the state did announce 50 new COVID-related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 20,750. For hospitalization numbers, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 39 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 2 of those patients are on ventilators. Regionally, we have 68 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 3 of those patients are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities and outbreak status, these are cumulative numbers, and we'll announce the changes since yesterday. Brea of Belleville has 97 cases and 8 deaths, and that is an increase of 8 cases. As we talk about every day, testing is still so vitally important. Reminder that the St. Clair Square mobile testing site is available 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., along with various pharmacies throughout the county. I'll now turn it over to Director Simmons for his update.
Thanks, Brian. Appreciate that. Health Department busy at the test site, vaccine site today, so we get to try to hold the fort down.
Yes, sir.
We'll go into the daily zip code report. 62203 goes up 1 to 598. 62205 goes up 4 to 631. 62207 goes up 1 to 578. 62208 goes up 5 to 1,586. 62220 goes up 11 to 2,021. 62221 goes up 7 to 2,724. 62223 goes up 3 to 1,709. 62226 goes up 7 to 3,130. 62232 goes up 2 to 884. 62243 goes up 1 to 758. 62254 goes down 2 today to 787. 62258 goes up 1 to 1,023. 62260 goes up 4 to 779. 62264 goes up 3 to 350. 62269 goes up 7 to 3,190. And 62282 goes up 2 to 66. As Brian said, our daily county positivity rate today is at 5.5, which is up from the 4.2% yesterday. The regional positivity remains at 3.9, same as yesterday. The county 7-day rolling average, 5.9 today. And the surrounding counties reported in today, Bond County 0.3%, Clinton County negative 0.4%, Madison is 3.3%, Monroe 6.2%, Randolph 0.4%, St. Clair 2.9%, and Washington at 0 today. So good numbers coming in from the surrounding counties. Brian, vaccine.
Yeah, the word of the day is make your appointment. We put a message out a little bit earlier today. There were several days this past week that there was no appointments available, so people were checking and getting that message, registration is full. So we wanted to make sure we got the word out to them today that more appointments have been added and to log back in and get those appointments booked.
Well, it's now's the time to do it. So we wanted to talk about that a few moments today. Everything is going fine down there. We just got off the phone before we came live today. Everything's running like that well-oiled machine we're talking about.
Yes, it does.
So now take advantage of going on and explain to them if they've already received that notification, they can go on and sign up.
Correct. So once you receive that notification, that link will remain active for you. So you can click on it, go right through, follow all the questions, answer all those, and get yourself an appointment time. If there's not an appointment time that works for you or the registration is full, check the next day, get on there, and they're adding appointments every day. As vaccine arrives, they're adding more appointments. So just because you couldn't get what you needed that day, try back. And that was the purpose of the message today. For those that have received it, both first dose vaccines, people that need to get their first doses, and also those currently due for second dose Pfizer. We have some of those appointments available on there.
Well, and as the graphic said, it was up on the screen, to be sure to check your spam mail, because some people say they didn't get the notification, and then they've wrote back or they've called and said that they did find it in their junk mail. So please check that. Now's the time to go in and get your appointment signed up. The staff down there is working as quickly and safely as possible. For those of you who haven't showed your interest yet, you have to do that, as we tell you every day, by going to the EMA page here, filling out the simple interest form, or on the health department's page, same way there, or on the county webpage. To date, we've had 105,275 citizens show interest in wanting to get the vaccine. It's an increase of 886 since yesterday. So the demand is still out there. The new tent is up. Hopefully, if the vaccine continues to come in, middle of next week, maybe Thursday, we'll open up that second lane and even make it smoother than what it has been.
Yeah, definitely finalization of all the plans, making sure everything's in place. The staff that'll be operating in those lanes being trained right now, so that once it's ready, it will operate just as smooth as the other lane, and we'll see double the output from that site as long as that vaccine's available. And the people are showing up at their appointments. We're going to be putting needles in arms.
Well, and as we told you this week, the health department, Mila and Sam and Chairman Kern are every day working with our state representatives, with Springfield, with IDPH, to try to make sure that that supply of the vaccine continues to arrive here in the county, so we can get our residents taken care of. We've had people from across the state of Illinois have been calling and asking, if they can get, and as long as they live in the state, we've been taking care of that.
Yep.
But again, that's going to be dependent on how much vaccine continues to roll into this mass site. Our goal is to get as many needles in the arms out of this site, and working with our partners at HSHS, BJC, Southern Illinois Healthcare Foundation.
Yeah, they're still running clinics every day of several hundred people through each hospital to help increase the rollout of this vaccine through our county.
Well, and that's what it's all about. It's about everybody getting that needle in their arm. 358 days we've been in this, and we're going to be here until it's over with. And it's been said, get the needle in the arm, and we can get this all behind us. Now we're seeing an influx of people who have been sitting back waiting and saying, well, I didn't know if I want to get it, but now they've talked to their family and their friends, and now they've decided they want to get the vaccine. So if you want it, there's going to be a dose for you. So get signed up, and then you'll get that notification to come and get it. We're going to be back with Cindy to translate this into our Spanish communities, and then we'll be back tomorrow for day 359 for our question and answer session. Everybody have a good evening.
For more than 6 months, St. Clair County residents and businesses have been in the battle against COVID-19. As we see cases surging in the country and even close to home, we must again remind everyone the fight is not over. Team St. Clair has made it this far by following the guidance and direction of our public health professionals. Now is not the time to let our guard down. We must continue to wear a mask, watch our social distancing, and wash our hands. To get through this pandemic, we must work together.